2016 Lexus GX 460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX 460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: cargo cover, low tire pressure warning, leather shift knob. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.